Why is it wrong date? One way ticket. Dudong Tami, ha? Is that a joke? Hello, ang laki ng mukha ni Inday Marian. Guys, I eat too much bread, so this is what happened. And also, did you notice, guys? Look, I have a lot of gray here. Look! I am 41! Oh my goodness, I can't believe! 41 na taon si Inday Marian, guys. Grabe.
Not like us people with no gray hair.
Hello, uy, grabe naman yung gray here. Do I have to cover it? Kailangan pa bang mag-color? Parang hindi naman yan mapigilan. Masisira lang yung buhok natin sa color-color. I think it's nice to have a kind of like silvery in our head. Yes, I'm going to cook. Yes, I'm going to cook rice. Hi guys, grabe na guys ang gray hair ni Inday Marian, guys. Na-notice ko. Han. Uy, guys, dito na guys. Na-print ko na lahat, guys. I printed everything. I like that printer, Han. I just sit down.
And you don't have to go there.
I don't have to stand up and go over there. So, ito na yun, guys. So, ito, oh, ating ticket, oh. Ito. Ito na yung ticket. No, one-way ticket man ni Tami, ha? Hindi mo na ako dito pabalikin, Tami mo. Bantay yung ka, Tami muya ka. Na. Why is it a lot of paper? I don't like this. Too much paper. Okay, ito yung pauwi natin, guys. One-way ticket. Dudong Tami, ha? Is that a joke? Why there is a legal notice? Hello, but why there is a... It's Philippine Airlines, guys. Nagkuha din ako ng ticket. Why is it wrong date? August 31.
You booked the wrong date? Seriously?
Hala.
It's kind of crazy how simple things make a big difference. Like
Patay. Tika, let me read it properly. Kasi parang Roman ito, guys. Marso, and then August.
Michelle, you fancy a walk? Okay.
Oh. Okay, operated by, marketed by, okay, what the heck is this? So, ito na guys, no, ticket natin, patungong, ano, meron na tayo dito. So, yun. I don't need a lot of paper. Hindi ko na kailangan ng maraming papel, kasi, oh, this is for the tax. Okay. So, ito na siya guys. So, meron na tayong hotel, meron na tayong ticket papuntang Mindanao, meron na tayong ticket papuntang Pilipinas. Bantay ka Tami, ha, tanaw na ito, big one way ticket ba ni? Kasi siya yung nag-continue ng aking, ano ng aking booking. Nag-booking ako and then siya yung nag-continue. So, okay, dito JFK, Korea, Cebu. So excited ko guys. Excited ka. But anyway, daghan ka. Pag-grocery na naman dapat ko guys. Non-stop ako yung mag-drive kami. Put this over there. There's a lot of birds over there, oh. Ara guys. Adoy, bahala gidugo si Inday Marian. Basta kay mag-grocery jud ako na mi oy. Wa na jud daan na jud. Tara guys, grocery tayo, ha? Si Mr. Grosso, bili na naman tayo ng ano. Pets. Mga pagkain ng aso. Han? I'll get this for the 2 dogs. Another one.
I'm in a little bone with
With what?
wrap.
Wrap.
Oh, do they have the other bones? Because that's the end of them.
They're pricey. Which one?
The ones with the...
Oh, the other one.
Oh, they like it.
They don't have it here. Oh, that one right there?
But they're smaller.
No, they're very expensive. And how many it's in there? Tami, oy. Come on, let's go. So, tara guys, bili tayo ng gulay. Ito si Tami, tuyok naman eh, oy. Like, tuyok sa Tami ay, murag korek. We need onions. Pick the good one. Pick the good one.
Beef ribs.
Yeah, get the other one. How much is that? Let's see.
This one's better.
This is more better. This one right here.
So why you say that one?
No. Okay, I'll get that one. People buy love. I saw a lot of people cooking this one. Get one. Expensive. Pick the good one though. How much is that? 20, 30 bucks? 22? Only one, huh?
This one's got hair in it, so I don't want that one.
That one is newer. Newer, it's like reddish. Okay. Put this one back. There's a lot of people buy this. Han, 18 bucks han.
Do it either.
Only one. We need to get some laundry detergent. What is that? One. Yeah. This is the only one they have. Large.
How's the other brother?
Seriously? This one, because it's better to get new nice and freezer. Napasigaw tuloy ako, guys. Sinigawan ko sa tummy, oh. Whipped cream na. I don't know what it's gonna do with the whipped cream. I think I know where you're gonna put it. Tara guys, uwi na tayo eh. Yung asawa ko doon. Doon sa likuran oh. At tapos na. Ayaw talaga niya akong magtawag nito, mag-park sa malayo ba. So andito kami sa meron ditong mga adapt eh. Pwede ditong mag-adapt. Asa na yung mga earring? Oy, kaluoy puntaon sa mga earring. Oy. Hello, kaluoy sa mga earring. Kaluoy. Kawawa man sila oy. Kawawa talaga yung mga pusa kills. Kawawa yung mga pusa, guys. Kanang dapat i-adapt ba? Luoy kayo. Palit make sagbot, guys, no? Tag $10 po itong sagbot, guys. So, ito siya. $10, guys. Tummy is crazy, guys. Sagbot, no? Sagbot, $10, $30. Honey, this is a kalukuhan. That's why I said 60 something.
Yeah, because I said we'll just get the one. Because once I saw it was $10, I was going to get two. I just get one. I said, we'll get two. The one,
and then I get one.
Then I get one of those.
So, yun guys. Pauwi na tayo, guys. No, look. Pauwi na tayo. Hinay man. Traffic man dito na dala na. So, traffic. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Careful, you're gonna drop yourself. There you go.
That's the idea.
Well, if you drop yourself hard, that's it. Careful, huh? There you go. Kawawa talaga itong asawa ko, guys. Alam nyo, guys, alam na niya, guys, yung paano pasikot-sikot yung sasakyan, guys, magtaod ng brake, lahat na lang ilaw, ganon. At kasi yung bata pa siya, no, nagkaroon nito ng sasakyan. At siya talaga yung taga-ayos ng kaugalingon niyang sasakyan. So, kaya ngayon, hindi na kaya, oy, may edad na mister, no. Hirap na. Okay. Be careful that you don't break part of the car. Okay, that's it. Hello.
Actually, bring me the compressor.
Hello guys, ang nangyari po ngayon ay hindi po namin nakita yun kung saan yung butas ng gulong. So ang ginawa ni Tommy is dinala namin dito sa repair shop kung saan kami palaging nagpaano ng sasakyan. At yaon, hinihintay ko lang si Tommy, dinala namin yung isang gulong, tinanggal kasi niya at dinala namin dito. Hopefully makita nila yung butas, guys, no? So anyway guys, continuation tayo, hindi ko na explain. So yung may nag-comment sa sa previous vlog na dapat bibili ng bagong gulong. So, bago siya, yung gulong ni Tammy guys is very nice na gulong. Bago yun siya. Ang problema, ginawa namin doon sa garahian is tinitingnan namin talaga, nilagyan namin ng sabon na may tubig, and then nilagyan ng hangin para makita kung asan magbabol. Wala kaming makita, kahit ano-ano. So ngayon, napagod si Tammy, di ba? Nagpunta kami sa repair shop, ipatingin kasi kilala na ni Tammy doon kami palagi nagpunta. Pagkatapos yan, sabi pa nila, maghintay daw kami ng 1 hour. Pagtapos ng 1 hour, bumalik si Tammy doon, sabi pa nila, the problem is in the side, yung soft side. Hindi siya soft, pero yung side na walang, hindi na yan siya ma-fix, guys. As in, hindi na yan siya ma-fix kapag nasa side ng gulong. Kapag nasa ibabaw ng gulong, ma-fix pa yan. So, ngayon, kinuha ni Tammy yung gulong. I don't know kung nagbayad siya or wala. I think it's free because they checking. Wala naman silang inayos. So, kinuha ni Tammy. Sabi ko, buti na lang kinuha ni Tammy yung gulong. Bago kasi siya, guys. As in nice, guys. Expensive pa naman yung gulong. So, bumalik si Tammy doon kung saan niya binili yung gulong. Hindi siya nag-expect si Tammy na, ang expectation naming dalawa is magbayad siya ng mga $400 or $500 to buy another gulong, di ba? And then, pagkatapos niyan, sinabihan niya na, I bought this here. And then, pagkatapos niyan, tinignan yung miles ng sasakyan kung gaano kalayo yung nagamit yung gulong. Ganyan pala yan. Kasi ni-record pala kapag bibili ka ng and then ni-record nila kung ilang miles yung sasakyan mo. And then just in case kung mag-return ka ng gulong, kung gaano kalayo na yung nagamit mo, kung palagi mo yung siya ginagamit. As in, bago lang yun siya, guys. And then pagkatapos yun, guys, sabi pa, wow, okay, so you can return this. Buti na lang, meron silang isa na gulong na natira doon. Yun binili yun sabi ni Tammy, okay, I will buy it. And then sabi ng cashier doon, okay, because you bought this one here, the old gulong, we're gonna give this to you for free. Oh, guys, free. So, pagkatapos, pero nagbayad si Tammy ng $50 para yung rim ng gulong, ilagay doon sa bagong gulong na binili ni Tammy. Yung old na gulong, sila na yung mag-dispose, yung may-ari, kung anong gagawin nila sa gulong na yan. Baka ibenta nila for like use, or baka maging okay pa para sa kanila. So, basta yon. So, iniwan ni Tammy yung old na gulong, merong bago, libre, pero ang $50 is to, nilagay yung rim sa gulong, sila na yung naglagay, sila na yung nag-asikaso sa gulong at saka sa rim, para diretso na lang ni Tammy ilagay sa sasakyan, kasi tinanggal ni Tammy yung gulong, di ba? So, yun siya, guys, nakalibre, pero dapat magbayad ka rin ng 50 kasi sila yung replace ng So, yun siya. Kailangan man yung ibundak-bundak, bundak-bundak, guys, ang gulong para maging okay, diba? So, ngayon, tumawag si Tammy, pauwi na siya dito, and then, sabi pa niya, ang brake is so, parang sobrang nipis na. So, nag-stop na naman siya doon kung saan siya galing kahapon. And, yun. Hopefully, meron silang brake pads. And then, i-change ni Tammy yun. So, yun, problema. Ganyan kasi yan, guys. Oy, kapag may sasakyan talaga, ang daming bayaran kapag masira. So, kaya yun.